Welcome back, class. Now we are going to start with exercise. Next exercise, 10D. So here, 10D we are going to start. Here we have to write in terms of 24-hour clock. So here, for that you need to see on page number, it is out here, 162 at the top. These all are given in terms of 24 hour. Okay, here to here all. Okay, now here we are going to convert. So this 4 a.m. So we are talking about question number 1. Okay, 4 a.m. is given to us. So here it will be 0400 hours. Then second one is 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. it is 10:00 hours. Like that, 2 p.m. it is 14. Okay, 12. After 12 is 13. Then 14. So 1, 2. So it is 1400 hours. Like that, 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. So 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1700 hours. Like that, we have 300 hours. 300 hours, okay. So here it is 3 a.m. Now after that 1600 hours. 1600 hours. So 1600 hours means 4 p.m. Then after that one more is there, 2100 hours. 2100 hours. So here it is 21 means 9 p.m. So this is answer for your question number 1. Okay. Question number 2 is talking about 1200 hours. So 12 hour time is given. We have to convert it again into 24 hours. So 12 at midnight. 12 at midnight, that is midnight. It is 12 midnight. 12 midnight means 0000 hours. Then we have given 1 a.m. So 0100 hours. The next one is here 7:20 a.m. 7:20 a.m. It is 0700 hours. I am writing SRS shortcut. Okay, you can write full. Then 10:15 p.m. 10:15 p.m. So here 10:15 will be 22:15 hours. Simple, right? SRS hours. Then after that we have 5:40 p.m. 5:40 p.m. So it is 17:40 hours. Now the last one is 12 noon. 12 noon. So it is 1200 hours. So this is question number 2 answers. Now we are going to start with question number 3. How many minutes are there in the following? So here number A, it is 7 hours. So 7 hours means in 1 hour it is 60 minutes. So we will write 60 minutes. Then after that you need to multiply. So 7 6 is 42, 420 minutes. Like that, number B, 1/2 hours. So here 1/2 hours means 60 minutes. So here 2 and the 2, 230 are. So we left with 30 minutes. Number C, 3 by 4 hours. So here 3 by 4 hours means 60 minutes. 4 1 4, 4 15 is 60. 15 3 is 45 minutes. Like that. Last one, number D, 2 hours 35 minutes. Here we need to convert this much only. 2 into 60 minute plus 35 minute. So 120 minutes plus 35 minutes. Then when we add, we'll get 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, then here. So 155 minutes we get. Like that. Question number 4. How many hours are there in the following? So here it is talking about how many hours are there. So question number 4, it is 205 minutes. 205 minutes. Here you have to divide 205 with 60. Okay. So here 6, 3 is 180. Now we left with whatever remainder is minute. Okay. So 5, 10 minus 8 is 2. So it is here 3 hours and 25 minutes. Like that. Like that we are going to do the rest. Question number 4, B, 150 minutes. So here 150 is going to divide with 60. 6, 2 times is 120, 62 times 120. We left with 0, then here. So here we left with 1. This is not 1, this is hours, this is minute. So here answer is 2 hours 30 minutes. Now number C is 75 minutes. 75 minutes. So here divide 75 with 60. So 1 time. So we left with 15. So 1 hour 15 minutes. Number D, it is 480 minutes. So here 480 divided with 60. 6, 8 is 48. So we get 8 hours. So this is the last question of this exercise 10D. Now we are moving towards exercise 10E. Now we are going to do about 10E. So here, question number 1, it is said, add the following. So I am going to write the question. I will write shortcut 7 hours 54 minutes. Then here 4 hours, then 12 minutes. Always keep in mind here when we reach 60, then we have to, whatever number is there, that we have to carry on. Okay, 60 means 1 hour get added here. Then whatever minute is, minute will remain here. In this case we can see it. Minute will remain. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. You got it? Now here 5 plus 1 is 6. 60. That is, here 0 will remain. Okay. Here 0 will remain. 1 will carry over here. Because here 60 minutes means 1 hour. That's why here it is 0. Okay. Now 1 carry over here. So here hours 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12. So here 12 hours 6 minutes is there. Like that, number B, it is 8 hours then 21 minutes. Next one is 3 hours then 55 minutes. Again, like that again. Minute remain. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 2 7. 7 means here 6 here. For 60 it is 1 carry over here. Then for 1 left. Okay. Here 60 plus 16 will get. Okay. When we add here, this 6 is there, then 5 plus 2 7. So we have to convert into this manner. Okay. So here this 6 is carried over here, then 0 plus 6, that is 6. 1 plus here, this 1 is carried, here 0 is there. So it is this. Okay. So we are not able to write here 76. So here 1 carry over here, HRS hours is like that. 8 plus 4 is 12 hours. So here it is like this. Now question number C. We need to subtract, not question number C, this is question number 2A. We need to subtract. So here 9 hours 36 minutes. 9 hours 36 minutes, then minus 4 hours, then 42 minutes. Now here when we borrow, so from here 1 hour gets subtracted, here this will get added 60 minutes. In this case we get added 60 minutes. Now minute will write here as it is. This is 30 plus 60. It is 96 minutes we got. Okay. From 96 minutes we need to subtract this 42. Okay. So here now 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So here we get 54 minutes. This rough work you have to do. Okay. Then hours will remain same. Here this is changed to 8 hours. So here 8 minus 4, 4. So this is your answer. Like that, number B, 23 hours, then 29 minutes. Again, 3 hours and 18 minutes is there. Now here again subtraction. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. No doubt, hours will come as it is. 3 minus 3 is 0 here. So we left it 20 hours 11 minutes. So this is the answer for question number 2. Now we are moving towards question number 3. It says Mukesh takes 45 minutes to walk to the school and 35 minutes to reach home from the school by bus. How long do the two journey takes? So here going, okay, going to school. School, time taken is equal to 45 minutes. Okay, then coming back to home. Now how much minutes required? It is coming back home by bus. Okay, by bus. By bus, because we have to add it here. Now here it will take 35 minutes. Now we need to add here, minutes will remain, minutes. Now here 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, 1 here. So 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8. 80 minutes means here 60 plus 20 is 80. So here we left 20 minutes, then 1 hour. So we'll write 1 hour 20 minutes. We are not supposed to write 80 minutes here. We have to write in hours. Okay. So this is hours, 1 hour. This is 20 minutes. So 20 minutes remain here. You can also write, if you want to write 80 minutes. 80 minutes, that is also okay. But we have to write in terms of hours, so it is 1 hour 20 minutes is there. Okay. Now we are moving towards question number next, that is question number 4. So question number 4 is here. Question number 4 is, a bus takes 4 hours 42 minutes to go from city A to city B. Okay. While a train takes 3 hours 50 minutes to do the same journey. How much more time does the bus take than the train for? Okay. So time taken by bus than time taken by train. So here we need to subtract. Okay. So here 4 hours then 42 minutes. Then another is 3 hours then 50 minutes. So we have to keep in mind we need to subtract out here. So more time taken by bus. So here we have to subtract. From here we borrow. So here 60 get added. So after adding 60 we will get 102 minus we have to do 50. Okay. This we have to do in rough. Okay. So 2, 10 minus 5 is 5. So we left with 52 minutes here. Then here this is subtracted. So hours will remain here. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is 52 minutes extra taking. Okay. So this is the answer for exercise 9E. Sorry, exercise 10E. Now we are moving towards exercise 10F, where we are going to do elapse of time. Okay, that we'll do in the next video.